Hi, my name is Jane Dudley and I'm a junior nursing student at UMass Lowell. This is my video interview for the 2018 summer externship at Dartmouth Hitchcock Medical Center. I've had many opportunities to use the nursing process to solve a problem. One experience in particular came in the fall of 2017 during my gerontology clinical rotation at the Whittier Rehabilitation Hospital in Haverhill, Massachusetts. My patient happened to be a 54-year-old male who suffered extensive lower body injuries following a motor vehicle accident. Upon arriving to the hospital and being assigned my patient, I immediately assessed him. I was able to collect subjective and objective data to use towards my diagnoses and nursing care. My diagnoses that I listed were acute pain, risk for infection due to the sutures from surgery, and disturbed family processes. This situation was particularly interesting and intriguing to me because his wife had also been a part of the motor vehicle accident and was his roommate throughout their rehabilitation process. So following my assessment and collecting my data and forming diagnoses, I planned. I set up short-term and long-term goals. My short-term goal was that the patient would be able to verbalize relief from pain within 30 minutes of receiving IV pain medication, and a long-term goal that he would continue to be free from infection throughout his hospitalization at the Whittier Rehab in Haverhill. I implemented my planning by administering IV pain medication and reassessing his pain level after 30 minutes. Lastly, I documented all the nursing care I had completed, including that his pain had decreased from a 7 to a 2 after 30 minutes. Throughout my 4 years at Duxbury High School in Duxbury, Massachusetts, I was fortunate to be a part of a very successful athletic program. With my ice hockey team, I won 3 consecutive state championships. My field hockey and lacrosse teams were also very successful, making it deep into the playoffs each of my 4 years. Graduating high school, I was recruited to play Division I lacrosse at UMass Lowell. I chose UMass Lowell for the academic opportunity to pursue nursing while also playing a Division I sport, and for the opportunity to grow a program. My freshman year at UMass Lowell was the second year of lacrosse even existing on campus. My freshman year, we won 1 out of our 16 games. This was very mentally and emotionally draining, especially coming from a high school that was so successful. Through hard work, dedication, and commitment, my team was able to fight back and win 7 of our 16 games my sophomore season. Presently, we are preparing to continue this growth with our upcoming season beginning later this month. Looking back, I'm very thankful for my freshman season and losing all those games, because I think that it helped grow my mental strength both on and off the field. There have been many times when I've had the opportunity to communicate with people with different communication styles and opinions than myself. I would note my own communication style as assertive, easygoing, and influential. I aim to achieve goals by leading by example and approaching matters directly. Over the past year and a half, I have had the opportunity and honor of being named a captain of my Division I lacrosse team at UMass Lowell. Being part of a quad set of captains has brought about many challenges in partnering with opinions that are different than my own. On top of 4 captains, we are partnered with a tri-tiered coaching staff who surely have their own opinions and coaching styles, as well as communication styles of their own. Through working with different communication styles, I have learned the importance of active listening to determine what is important, what is trying to be said, what the goal is, and how to react to an individual's opinion in a respectful but direct way. The more time I spend interacting with different communication styles, the more I am able to become aware of my own strengths and weaknesses through my communication and opinions. I believe that those with different communication styles and opinions are able to successfully achieve their goals through communicating and a high level of commitment and keeping each other accountable for reaching those goals.